Adam North, 3013.
It was a dangerous start to the new year for a few Corpus Christi police officers, as two of them were seriously injured and required treatment. But we do know now they are doing better and have been released from the hospital on Saturday.
Well, this is indicative of what can happen, in the job and in our community. We're not immune to those same things as other cities.
It started with a domestic violence call around 10 o'clock on Friday night at the Four Winds Apartments.
When they arrived, they made contact with a suspect inside one of the apartments. During that contact, the suspect attacked our officers with a knife. Two of our officers suffered stabbing or laceration wounds.
Following that, a third officer drew their gun and shot the suspect. Chief Markle was unsure how many times the suspect was shot, but police were able to recover the suspect's weapon. The two officers, suspect, and the victim of the domestic violence call were all taken to a nearby hospital for treatment.
These are very dangerous calls. These are one of the most dangerous calls that we can make. It's a night of alcohol, family violence, like I'll talk about here. And our officers are out there trying to do the right thing. Unfortunately, this is what happens sometimes.
As is common practice, all three officers will go on administrative leave until they can be cleared for work. CCPD has not released any names of any of the individuals involved, but you can stick with Chris 6 News for any updates to this investigation. Reporting in Corpus Christi, Ron Hamey, Chris 6 News.
Barely driving in the parking lot.
I don't understand it.
10-4.
The circus must have burned down.
Related to the other gang guys, that your victim was.
So I usually talk to the mom. The mom said that there's going to be some apartments that are over there at Weber and Saratoga.
Learn about crypto and get paid as you learn with Coinbase Earn. We've paid out over $100 million in crypto rewards since Coinbase Earn launched in 2018. To start earning, just watch short videos, answer simple questions about what you've seen, and get rewarded. Get started today on Coinbase.com/earn.
10-4. And when they brought him in, was he bleeding pretty good? So there should be a lot of blood, maybe.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back on this second to the last day of 2021. We had another unusually warm day with our morning low not bad at 62, but still way above normal. The afternoon high of 83. Again, that's 24 degrees above normal there on the low. That's incredible. But it's going to be payback time with our front Saturday night, and it'll last for about 2.5 days. This is a time lapse from our WeatherBug camera this morning in downtown Corpus Christi. All kinds of fog, visibility near zero, and then we get those beautiful blue skies and temperatures rising into the 80s this afternoon. Winter Texan special indeed. 78 right now. Wind's starting to pick up a bit, and as I mentioned earlier in the broadcast, more wind means less fog tonight, and where the winds are the lightest right now is where we have a little bit of fog going on up in the Beeville area, and also over in Rockport and around Port Aransas. So we are going to see some fog tonight, but not as bad as last night. Here's the visibility forecast. And again, initially you see quite a bit of fog around 2, 3, 4 a.m., but it goes away by 7 because of increasing winds here overnight. And then tomorrow night.
David William 30067. Not a good license plate. Last seen going on Everhard. Towards Everhard, the 3 cases of beer, unknown what type. Patrol 3, 2010.
We have to stick together. How are our weapons?
The weapons are fine. This one needs refueling.
Will you get it, please? Ash, go with him.
No, you're like a man, Josh. Follow me.
Ash? Any suggestions from you or Mother?
No, we're still collecting.
Legal violation and evidence in Upshot,
I find it hard to believe.
Children in the parking lot.
would you like me to do?
Just what you've been doing, Ash.
Woodridge at the Woodridge Place Nursing
I've got
Center.
access to Mother now, and I'll get my own.
Plan on safety traffic. Sorry, I took the location. Staples and Kane, North Zebra Tom 6780. Staples and King, North Zebra Tom 6780, 10-4.
Try 271.
Try 271. My man says you were stopping on Bonner. Stopping on Bonner, 10-4.